Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we saw on Thursday, day before 4th of July, was, your very typical pre-holiday. We got a big, we got the jobs report uncertainty out of the way, kind of just a grind higher, back up to new highs, 1978.25. So we have done 3 sessions. Riding the upper band. Today will be the 4th session. We did some upper band work while Globex was open on Friday. We've come off a little bit. We're down 3 handles to open. So what we need to see today is, will the morning dip get bought and run back up to the 81 to 83 area, which would be the area of the upper band. If the upper band ride is going to have legs beyond today, then that's what it will need to do. So we'll have to see what happens. Hyper technically, from a technical perspective, it doesn't need to do that because it touched the upper band on Friday, and from the Friday, from the Thursday night Globex open until the close of Globex today, that's all considered Monday's session. So hyper technically, we've already done the 4th day of the band ride. But me personally, I would like to see it happen during the day today in the session when somebody is actually trading this stuff. If that happens, then you have to be concerned whether it's going to go for another day or so. The true shot across the bow as to whether or not we may be setting up for a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of reversion back to, say, the middle band in that area is, do we take out the Thursday low at 1966? If we do, if we break through 66 and especially through 64.5, which was the Wednesday low, if you get through that area, then that really does open up pretty much a move to the 53 to 50 area. In order to test the middle band and see whether the middle band can hold up. There's no reason to think it wouldn't. It did here for 3 days, did it again here, and both pops off of that resulted in new highs. The S&P is clearly a future that wants to trade between the upper band and the middle band. And I said a few weeks ago, if that's how this thing wants to trade for the course of the summer, then that's going to be a fantastic trading summer, because the lows are very viable, and as long as you don't anticipate the highs and you wait for something to actually break and move lower, you can catch a nice trade on the downside. So we'll have to see if that continues to play out, but it's been so far so good the last month or so. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Check us out on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.